Hey guys, it's me Taylor, and today I am with my friend Anna. So Anna, say hi.
Hi.
So today, who are you FaceTiming? But anyways, today I'm going to show you how to fit slime. Can you please turn that down? I'm trying to make a video, Anna. But today I'm going to show you how to fit slime. I'm gonna hang up if you keep doing that.
Huh?
I'm gonna hang up if you keep doing that.
Doing what?
That sound. I'm trying to make a video.
Okay. Turned it off.
Alright. Really?
What? I didn't mean to do that. Sorry.
Well, anyway, guys.
Okay.
Today I'm going to be showing you how to fit slime in a push pop container.
Wait, the string jumped out.
So you have to take an amount that you like. By the way, if you guys see my giveaway video, I swear this is not the same one. Wait, actually I don't swear. Take that back. But I'm just saying it's not. It's not. So if this amount doesn't work, then you might want to take a smaller amount.
Let the expert do it.
So.
There's nothing in this.
Okay, and then take your slime. Fit it in there. And if you want a little bit more, because like the lid is huge.
You can just pick up and then no, I don't want to chew on this. This is mine. Why do you want that?
Alright. Just got a little bit more. And guys, if you have my kind of slime from the giveaway. Oh, and by the way, you guys can move it up and down, so it doesn't matter how much you put in, but
I'm just fixing it.
might want to put your thumb where you want it to end. Like, see? And my thumb is like not that long. So, but anyways. And
I'm just testing.
So, and then you can give it to anybody you know. And this is kind of like a help with the prank and stuff. I think I just lost the lid. Got this guy right here, it's gonna rule the world. It's gonna burn me, 'cause I don't wanna be. And what I want is just to look pretty. You get up at a 9 to 5, dreaming big game turns to some trophy wives. But guys, I might not be doing a giveaway on the push pop anymore, because I think I just lost the lid. So.
When did she say that?
So, well, but if you guys have a lid to it, if you guys have a lid to it, then you guys can actually try this trick.